Party with me. It's a song called Spirit in the Sky. Let's see those hands in the air. Let's come and say hi to you, lovely people this time. Give me some high fives. Nice to see you. High five. Good to see you. Nice to see you, lovely. Merry Christmas. Good to see you all. Here we go. When I die and the limit to rest, gonna go to the place that's the best. When I lay it down to die, going up to the spirit in the sky. Going up to the spirit in the sky. That's where I'm gonna go when I die. When I die and the lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. Now make some noise. You know it's a must. Gotta have a friend in Jesus. And so you know that when you die, He's gonna recommend you to the Spirit in the sky. Going up to the Spirit in the sky. That's where I'm gonna go when I die. And when I die and the lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. Redditch, you've been a wonderful audience. Thank you so much for having me this evening. Hope you have a great Christmas. Thank you to the organisers for having me. And I'll see you at the Redditch Palace on Friday the 18th of September. Until then, keep those hands in the air. I've never been a sinner. I've never sinned. I got a friend in Jesus. So you know that when you die, He's gonna recommend you to the Spirit in the sky. Let's see you sing. Go to the place that's the best. Go send me up to the Spirit in the sky. That's where I'm gonna go when I die. But when I die and they lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. Going on up to the Spirit in the sky. That's where I'm gonna go when I die. But when I die and they lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. 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 Have a great Christmas, lots of love, thank you.
Right, James, come on, give it up for Mr. Gareth Gates.